Lorenzo, what's going on here, buddy?
Christian made his own fishing pole.
Christian made his own fishing pole.
Yes.
Dude, look at that thing. Now, what did you do, Chris?
Well, I found the stick that looked closest that I could find to a fishing rod,
Okay.
and then I tied a sabiki rig to it,
Okay. And you found the line as well, right?
and we found the line.
Found the line.
We had this.
Lorenzo did not find this
We did not find
or
it.
this. Guys, who do you think will outfish who? Christian with... Oh. We're singing happy birthday. Hold on a sec. Hold the thought. Birthday to you. Yeah. Woo! All right, guys. Who do you think is going to catch more? Christian with his stick, sabiki, or Lorenzo with his tsunami salt X and a popper? Guys.
My dad.
Oh, maybe. Let's see what happens. All right, Lorenzo. Ronnie just came up to me and challenged. He said, I challenge you to catch a fish.
I don't know.
You don't
It's
know?
really windy.
Huh?
It's really windy.
With the plug? With the plug?
I don't know.
Oh. Wow!
Guys, I'll catch a fish for you.
I've never seen Lorenzo back down like that. What the heck is going on? We are at Boca Inlet, and Lorenzo just got challenged to catch a fish.
I mean, I'll try.
Bro, a popper, man. You get a jack. Oh, look at the bait. Look at the bait. See him?
I thought I saw bait.
Those are bait.
Where?
Right on the bend. Shoes would probably be recommended on inlet jetties, especially when they're sloppy concrete like this. What do you say? All right, Christian. All right, first of all, Roger, come here. Roger's got a plug. What'd you put on it? Roger found shrimp heads on the rocks and he's putting it on. This is things not to do if you want to impress people on fishing. Roger, if you catch a fish, I'll be very impressed. Now, thing not to do number 2. Christian, what do you have here, bro?
I have my fishing contraption. See, I reel here. I'm gonna make it happen.
And what do you have on it?
Sabiki at the
And he has a sabiki on the end.
I'm gonna make it
All right,
happen.
so it's right by your foot, so be careful.
Oh, snap. Watch, bro. Watch and learn.
You should
Watch.
go by the seawall right there and drop it.
Look right there.
Christian, if you catch a fish on this as a fishing pole, all right, what would you guys rather fish with? This stick that he just found, or Lorenzo's tsunami salt X with a popper? Lorenzo, if he outfishes you, bro, that would be shameful.
Game on.
Game on, go, Chris, go do it, baby. Okay, yeah, don't fall. Lorenzo, wait, Christian's going without bait. Bro, this is...
I'm not even gonna fish.
No, I want you to fish because if he catches a fish before you... Roger, what happened to your shrimp? You got bit off? Oh my God. Chris, you put some shrimp on that thing, man. Yeah, George is finding pieces of shrimp in the rocks. Bro. That guy is rough out, man. He's cruising. Bro. That boat's bigger than we thought. That's a 16. Yeah, our boat's bigger than we thought, George. Don't feel too bad. Don't feel too bad.
I'm just waiting for a big one.
Oh, he got a fish! He got a fish! Oh! He got one! Bring it up here, bro! Bring it over here, bro! He We outfished Lorenzo with a tsunami.
Ah, bro.
Let me see your face, bro. Let me see it. Hold on, let me see what this thing is. Oh, Chris, you caught a fish, bro. Dude, that is freaking awesome. Oh my. Wait, hold on a second. What is this guy? Is this the guy with the poisonous fins? No. That's a goby, bro. That is a goby. Congrats, Chris. You made it work, bro. The stick fishing rod. You gonna take him off? Nah, we're good, man. Let him fly. No, let him fly.
Sure?
No, Lorenzo.
Feed him.
Come on. Here, I'll hold your fishing pole for you. This is the fishing pole champion. Hold up your trophy, Chris.
I am.
Watch him live. Watch him live, fish. No, we're not skunked, guys. We're not skunked. My goodness.
Are you sure?
Positive. Smile, bro. Hold him up and smile. Hold on. Hold on. Go again, bro. Do it. Lorenzo, he's 1. Christian 1, Lorenzo 0 on his Tsunami Salt X. Come on, bro. Lorenzo, don't let him show you up like that, bro.
Just wait till I catch a fish 100 times bigger than that.
Don't let him show you up. Lorenzo's using a popper. I guarantee you, though, if Lorenzo gets hit on this popper, it's going to be a lot more impressive than the goby. Oh, man. Where are the big jacks? Bro, put some shrimp on it, man. That'll make it a lot easier. Did you have a... Yeah, boy! It was a rock? Roger's on! On a rock. Oh, yeah. Kiss that lure goodbye. Well. Lorenzo, you giving up, buddy?
No, I can't really cast.
Alright, I'm gonna listen to my homie Lorenzo.
Yeah, bro.
He says that here's where
What?
I'm gonna cast.
Well, yeah, and get some shrimp on it. You'll catch something.
Well, you think I eat it? I mean, you saw me slay that other fish.
That is true. I mean, there's always sabiki's work, but it always helps if you're generous.
Lorenzo told me this is where it's all at.
Well, I don't know. I don't know about that.
At least we're not skunked, right?
We're not skunked. We are not skunked.
I think
We're still skunked, Lorenzo.
who needs the salt
Are you
eggs?
gonna cast that, or do you want me to? You want me to do it? Here, give me that thing. Give me that thing. Let me show you how to do this. Give me that thing, boy. All right, Lorenzo's got a sabiki on. He says he sees ballyhoo. You got to keep it on top, right? Ballyhoo? Oh, he just had a ballyhoo. Was that a ballyhoo or skipjack? Come on, man. Little Grady White. Yeah, that ain't fair. That ain't fair. Lucas, what do you think? What do you got there? Oh, let me get a frame.